In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Power BI Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to select. So the Power BI interface matches your preferred language, making your workflow smoother and more comfortable. Start by opening Power BI Desktop on your computer. Give it a moment to load to the main canvas. Everything we're about to do happens inside the app's built-in settings, so you won't need any external tools or downloads for this walkthrough. Look to the top left corner and select File. This opens the Power BI Backstage view, which houses all the important configuration areas. From here, go to Options and Settings. Then click Options. That will bring up the Options window, which is where Power BI stores both global preferences and file-specific controls. In the Options window, focus on the left pane under the Global section. Select Regional Settings. Global settings apply to Power BI Desktop as a whole, not just the file you have open, which is why we're using this area. Regional Settings is the home for how Power BI interprets things like formatting and, crucially for us today, the application's language. On the right side, find the Application Language dropdown. This is the setting that controls the language of the Power BI Desktop interface, including menus, dialogues, and tooltips. Choose your preferred language from the list. Keep in mind, this changes how Power BI talks to you. It does not automatically translate your dataset contents, field names, or values. Those are determined by your data model and report design, not the application language. Once you've chosen your language, click OK. Power BI will prompt you to restart to apply the change, because the interface language is loaded when the application starts. Before you close the app, make sure to save any open work so you don't lose progress. Then close Power BI Desktop and open it again. When it relaunches, the interface should appear in the language you selected. If you ever want to switch back or try a different option, just repeat the same path: File, Options, and Settings. Options, Global, Regional Settings, and adjust the application language dropdown. It's a quick change that can make a big difference in comfort and speed, especially if you regularly collaborate with teammates who use different language settings. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.